Hey guys, it's Hope from digthegoodlife.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few of my ideas for a simple, clutter-free, handmade Easter basket. So this video is part of Scribbles from Emily's Easter DIY Challenge. I'm so excited to get some springtime inspiration from some of my new friends here on YouTube. So go check out the playlist linked in the description for more great Easter DIY idea videos. So I don't know about you, but one of my favorite childhood holiday memories is coming out to my kitchen and in the morning, first thing on Easter morning, and seeing my Easter basket sitting there on the kitchen table. That was just like such an exciting moment, and I don't know what it was about a basket full of little gifts, but it really was exciting to me. And so I always have a really fun time putting together an Easter basket for both of my kids and see how excited they get. But one thing that drives me nuts about gift giving in general, for kids especially, is getting them things that are junky, are plastic, and they're going to break quickly, things that they're going to play with for a few minutes or a day and then be totally bored with and done. That kind of stuff, that kind of clutter, I really don't like it in my house, and so we have some of it, but I try the best I can to avoid it. So when I'm picking out the presents, I try to get things that are practical but still fun, you know, so I try to put a fun twist on things that they need anyway. So I'll be sharing a few ideas along those lines with you today. So my 5-year-old daughter has got a sore throat and a headache and a low-grade temp, and she's in the bed just sort of vegging out. And like I said, I have a 1.5-year-old, enough said there, and so I apologize about the lighting. It's a little bit not so hot, but my husband came home early from work and I am determined to get this video filmed today, because if I don't film it this evening, it's not going to get filmed. So I appreciate your patience with the quality. Okay, so for the first thing to talk about is what kind of basket, like the actual basket. So what we see a lot of in the stores are plastic buckets and sort of plastic woven baskets with these really long handles, bright colors. They're not really the types of baskets that you're going to be able to use again or use in your home or use throughout the year for different things. Plus, they're not going to last very long. Okay, so a few quick tips. I like to use a basket that I can use year after year or that I can use throughout the year in our home. So a couple of good ideas would be to browse your local thrift shops for a couple months before Easter and look for a good quality basket that you can always use as their Easter basket, or that you could, after Easter, use it in your home and you like the way it looks. Usually at a thrift shop, you're only going to pay $1 or $2 for a basket. Another idea would be to seek out a really nice high quality basket that you'll have for years and years and years and years. What comes to mind for me are the fair trade market baskets. I've had my eye on that kind of basket for quite a while, and they make some small ones that would be really cute for Easter baskets. And you could use them throughout your home for your children. They're really beautiful and you could use them every year for Easter. Okay, next up are the 4 things that I try to think of and remember as I am gathering items to put in an Easter basket. Number 1 is, will this item get used and loved and used up, or will this item end up sitting around the house creating clutter and catching dust? Number 2 question is, will this break easily? Number 3 is, does this have, or could this have, multiple purposes? And the number 4 question is, do I need to buy this, or could I make this at home or thrift this for a lot less money? An example of that would be, do I need to buy these cans of Play-Doh in these plastic containers, or could I go home and make my own Play-Doh, dye it different colors, put it in mason jars, and save that way, and there's a whole lot less plastic used too. Okay, so let's dive into the fun part. What are my ideas for things to go into the Easter basket? So here is an example of an Easter basket. A lot of the things in this basket are actually going to be given to my 5-year-old daughter. A couple things are things she already had, but they're good ideas, so I included them. Okay, so let's start with seed packets. That's a really fun idea to include in your child's Easter basket. You can actually find a pretty good selection of seeds at Dollar Tree for 25 cents a packet. I grabbed some radishes that grow really easily, and they're so fun for kids to pick. And then I grabbed a morning glory, and those grow very well and easily too, so those two things would be fun for my daughter. So those are going to go into her basket, 50 cents. My second idea is a sketchbook with pencils. So I found this little set of 3 sketchbooks. They're so cute. There's a fox and then cute little patterns, arrows. They're blank pages. This was $1 at Michael's for this little set. And then I grabbed this little set at the Dollar Tree, again, $1 for 6 of these little mini mechanical pencils with these nice erasers on top. I loved the pastel colors. They are so Eastery and springy. I just loved them, and they go so well with this. $2 right there, okay? My third idea is homemade Play-Doh. So my kids, both of them, love Play-Doh, and I have the best Play-Doh recipe for you. It's on my blog. I'll put a link down in the description. And it's the recipe that my mom used to make Play-Doh for me when I was a kid, and I'm still using it to make Play-Doh for my kids. So go check that out. You can use food coloring and make all different colors of Play-Doh. Put them, make a nice little ball of Play-Doh, put it in a little mason jar, and give your kid 2 or 3 little jars of different color Play-Doh in their Easter basket. Okay, my next idea is this bunny bag. So I found these really cute cotton drawstring bags on Amazon a while back, and I've been using them for all kinds of things. For Easter, I decided to sew these little scrap fabric ears onto this bag to make a little bunny bag, and I put some treats inside. There's some organic chocolate and some gummy worms, and so that's kind of a fun way to package things up in your kids' Easter basket. So I actually just posted the tutorial for this little bunny bag on the blog this week, and my daughter loves to listen to music and to audiobooks in her CD player in her bedroom. So I got her, she's gonna be excited, I got her the Mary Poppins original soundtrack. This was at Walmart for $7. Has all these songs. She's gonna absolutely love this. Some other ideas would be some audio books, Frog and Toad, Berenstein Bears stories, Little House on the Prairie stories. Those are all great options for kids. I've got some more ideas in my blog post on that. Handmade crayons, where you melt the crayons down into a silicone mold. I made some in the shape of little bunny heads with ears, and they're really cute. And so if you want to read more about that, it's in my blog post. A stainless steel water bottle or straw cup. This is what I chose for them. I got my daughter and my son both one this year. It's stainless steel. You can also take the straw out and drink from it like this, and it seals up. The lid seals up. Anyway, I got this at Walmart. They also have it on Amazon. A Year at Bramley Hedge is a really sweet set of books. Anne Arrives is another sweet one that would make a great Easter basket gift. Super sweet book. Up next would be Gems, Rocks, and Fossils. Getting your kids started with a little rock collection would be a fun thing to do in an Easter basket. Getting them a few stones, some citrine, some amethyst, tiger's eye, quartz, whatever, and maybe a little tackle box that they could keep their stones in. I have my daughter a little pack of socks. She was actually asking me for some no-show ankle socks the other day, and I thought, this is perfect. See, something they need, something she will use. It's not going to go to waste, but I got a fun selection. So bright rainbow colors. It says Dream. They're just really cute. So I was happy with that find. Those are from Walmart, yet again. I got her a pack of little headbands from Dollar Tree, 4 for $1. And then here's another pouch. I have chalk in here, sidewalk chalk. So I got a whole tub of it for $1 from Dollar Tree, and I split it up and put them in little pouches for each kid to have their own little pouch. Last but not least, art supplies also make a great Easter basket stuffer. So watercolor palettes, paintbrushes, a nice big box of fresh crayons, colored pencils, some nice kid-sized scissors. All those things are great ways to feed their creativity and keep the clutter to a minimum. So please let me know if you have any Easter basket ideas. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make videos about simple and creative home life, wholesome food, and handmade projects. And visit me over on my blog at digthegoodlife.com, and I will see you in my next video. Happy spring, guys. Bye. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and don't forget to go check out the playlist for more DIY Easter videos.